Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Sheila Kesarkar. I'm gynecologist and infertility specialist. Today I'm going to tell my infertile couples, those who are trying for conception for 1 year but they are not successful, or for those who are continuing with their IVF treatment but because of this lockdown period they have stopped their treatment because nowadays doctors are not doing any planned things. They are doing only emergency surgeries. So for them also, how to prepare for IVF with better oocytes and better sperms. It's actually an opportunity for all of you during this lockdown period. The time that you were not getting together before. So this time you're getting, and this time you're going to utilize it for your betterment. And I'm going to give you certain tricks, certain tips, how you can do it in natural way. Like when the patient comes to me, I usually see to it that before giving any medicines, before giving any IVF treatment, I advise them to go in a natural way, whether they are successful for nearly 3 to 6 cycles. I try on them the natural ways. And these natural ways I'm going to tell you today, the tips of these natural ways. First and foremost, I would like all of you to get some sunbathing, some sunlight, so that your vitamin D3 levels increase, the calcium absorption increases, which is very, very useful for your ovulation and for sperm production. The second thing is your diet. What I would advise you is to have a balanced diet, a sattvic diet, like it should not include any junk food. And in this, it should contain more of carbohydrates, proteins, minerals, vitamins, full of it, along with all green vegetables, fruits. It should contain the lime juice, the vitamin C. And so also, I'll give you certain small tips like the ghee, that is the desi cows which are there. You should take 1 spoon of ghee early morning on an empty stomach daily, both for males and females. In Ayurveda, it has been told by Vagbhata that it increases your sperm production, it improves the quality of your sperms and motility of your sperms. So also the oocytes, that is the female seed, the ovum, the quality also improves. So also I would advise to take one small portion of lime in water, dissolved in water early morning as well as in the evening. This also improves your sperm production as well as oocyte production. There are so many tips in this. One of my patients who had, she cannot conceive for 11 years, even though the male factor was okay, but she had PCOD problem, and because of some community they didn't want to take any injections. They were poor also, so taking injections also were little problematic for them. So I advised her, she was very little fat also, so I advised her to be on my diet plan. 3 months also, she also took it in a very sincere way, and within 3 months she could conceive and deliver twin babies. Not only that, within 6 months she had another pregnancy also. So is the effect of diet over our body. Along with diet, I would advise you to exercise also. Nowadays, because of lockdown period, you cannot go out, so you can do it by yourself. Aerobic exercise like walking or jogging at a place or skipping, or you can do Surya Namaskaras also. Surya Namaskar has very much beneficial effects over your body. It stimulates all your chakras, and in one of the chakras, which is called as Swadhisthana chakra, your ovary lies, which is stimulated by Surya Namaskar. So you practice Surya Namaskaras at home. So also you should also include meditation in your program. Meditation relaxes all your body and it detoxifies your body, which helps all at a hormonal level and also for in a better production of your seeds. So practice all these. All the best for you and keep faith.